Today we are checked in at Ibis. Well, it's a nice view from the window. On my left side is the big dome, the Araneta Coliseum, and in front is the church. And on my left is the Novotel. So we're just here for the night, just to chill. And I can see the Mega World buildings here in Cubao. Well, Cubao has changed with so many infrastructure. And tonight, this is going to be our room with my wife, Berna Baron. It's a small room, but very, very clean, with a queen-size bed. This is probably 21 square meters. Not bad. Okay lang yung small room as long as it's very, very clean. Now, let's check the toilet. Well, everything is small, but nice tiles, red and white. Okay. No, color combination is good. It has a little freezer and safety deposit box and coffee, which I drink every morning. And this will be my chair to enjoy my coffee. Yan, nilaleda ni Berna yung pang-charge. This is actually a brand new Ibis here in Cubao. Okay, chill muna before having dinner. Okay, if you watch a movie, there's Mission Impossible. And it's available here at Wolfgang's Premier, where you pay about 800 to 900, including your drinks and your food. It's a new idea here in Cubao. Ito, may pagkain siya, hamburger or sliders. And it's now open. Wow, sarap ng hamburger niya. And this is the Wolfgang Premier Lounge. Before you watch the movie, you can drink or eat here. It's already included. Ang ganda ng bar niya, oh. Galing, ha? Bagong concept to, ha? While watching a movie. Ganda ng lounge. At ganda mag-chill. Paring Wilson, enjoy muna tayo. Chill muna, chill. Si Paring Wilson, lagi ko inibita mag-chill out, para lagi nag-exercise. Oh, ano na? Ano na plano natin? Tayo na. Okay, and this is how the movie theater looks like while watching a movie. Again, you have drinks and food. Nice lounge. Ito, labas na ng lounge. Maganda naman siya kasi naka-lazy boy. Kaya very, very comfortable while watching. Gateway Cineplex Wolfgang's Premier Lounge now open. Quite nice. Even the interiors. Okay, and we're entering now a new concept which they call World Kitchen. And these are the famous chefs. You can choose. If you want Japanese, Chinese, everything is here, international. It's my favorite, Peking duck. It's called World Kitchen.
Yeah, except for not.
As we go inside. Wow. Wow, itong ambience. It's like a fast food, but with better seats. And we might try Chef Jesse. There's Kuro Maguro. Ito, kay Chef Jesse. Fantastic ambience. Not so many people coming here because they think it's expensive. Yeah, Dario Pizza. If you want good pizza. Okay, they're now looking for our seats. O yung Japanese, mukhang nainip na yung chef niya. Okay, so dito tayo uupo. Alright. Yan, luto ng pizza. Ang ganda, Kanya masarap. There's a bar on the right side. May piano bar pala doon sa gitna, oh. Ganda, may piano bar, oh.
Basta, kausapin ko na lang siya.
Yan ang menu. Uy, ito na aming buttered chicken to be shared by 4 people. Ito, Indian roti. Sarap din yan.
Yan lang ito.
Oh, marami pa tayong orders.
Yung lengua.
Naantay pa, may lengua pa. Si pare, ano? Anong in-order mo, pare?
Pwedeng spoon.
Tempura. Yan na, yung favorite ko. Hinalo ko sa rice, oh. Yan ang buttered chicken. Oh, yung tempura ni paring Wilson, nandyan na, oh. Tama-tama yan, pare. Kaya mo ubusin yan, 4 na piraso lang, oh. Ba, ito yung isang paborito ko. Yung dila ng, ng baka, si lengua. Marami, ha. Marami siyang marami yung kanyang serving, ha. Not bad, ha. Pare, pasado ba yung lasa ng tempura? Pasado, ha. Very good. Alam ni Mirna yung order na gusto ni pare, eh. Ito na yung mamahali na salad. Ha? 1,200 per order. Bakit nga mo? Mare, bakit mahal tong salad na to? Anong tawag dito, Mare?
Paano natin?
Pork? Hindi. Yan, kunin mo, Berna. Ano yan? Anong tawag dyan?
Goose liver.
Kung bakit? Ay, oh! Ha?
Fried goose liver salad.
Ito, pan-fried goose liver salad. Kanya mahal siya. Wow. Ngayon ko lang matitikman yung mamahalin na salad. Hinihingi mo yun ni Berna. Foie gras. Yan ang talagang pangalan niya. Kanya kala mo steak pero foie gras na malambot. Ihalo mo sa salad. Oh. Alright, masarap kumain dito sa one of a kind, first of its kind, with all the different chefs. Alright, so this is the Ibis here in Cubao with World of Kitchens, and this is their restaurant. This is going to be our breakfast for tomorrow. This is part of the restaurant, and this is their food at the restaurant, and they have a fire pit. And that's Berna and Mirna with paring Wilson. Ito ang pangalan ng restaurant dito sa Ibis Streets. Ayan. Masarap dito, no? Kailangan pala ng susi para gamitin mo yung gym niya, oh. Okay. Ayan, yan ang gym. Masilip lang. Yun, nabuksan na. Oh, kailangan pala ng susi, ano?
Yes, po, sir. As long as
okay.
in-house po.
Yun. Ayan pala ang... okay, so may treadmill. Not bad for an Ibis. Oh, okay na rin. It's quite big. Oh, not big. Okay na rin siya. Siyempre, to exercise is the most important when you're traveling. Para kay Dylan, no? Ayun ang mga babysitter, si Mirna at saka si Wilson. Babysitter ni Dylan. Ayun, kasama si Berna Baron. Babysitter silang tatlo. Ayan ang mga pagkain, sinisilip ni Mirna. Okay, so let's check out the roof deck of Ibis. Oh, may music. Oh, wow, magandang ambience. Edge, Sky View Bar. Okay, ganda pala ambience, ha? Sa gabi, ha? Oh, may swimming pool pa, oh. Oh, not bad. Wala lang stars. Oh, okay. Pero not bad, ha? Oh, ang dami palang nag-chill out dito, oh, because of the ambience. Well, for an Ibis, this is already very, very nice. Okay, chill muna kami. Let's make some more decisions. Si Mare, nakaupo na, finally. Siyempre, katabi ni pare. Wala tayong cheers pa, eh. Oh, cheers to the good life. Ang lagi ko ka-cheers si Berna, eh. Yeah, cheers to the good life, pare. Okay. Ayos.